Love is more than an emotion. It's a choice. Something that could grow slowly between two people, maturing with time. But love is generous. It's brave, creative, adventurous, and it's strong.
Mike, I don't even know how to put into words how blessed I am to get to call you my husband. From the moment I met you, my life has been 1,000 times better. You have been the light that keeps me going, and I know that my Father is looking down today, so proud to get to call you his son. You love harder than anyone I know. You are so strong, and everything about you is very rare to find. I love you with all of me, your soon-to-be wife, Leslie.
Enjoy each other, date each other, learn each other's love languages, and choose to express your love for each other daily. Become each other's best friends. Communicate your personal feelings. Don't hold back. Share your dreams, your fears, your secrets, and your sorrows together. Laugh a lot. Enjoy those good moments together. Our marriage was designed by God to bring joy, happiness, and love. Now Leslie and Mike have fun together. I pronounce you husband and wife. Mike, you may kiss your bride.
Seriously, dude, I'm really happy that you found somebody that's, so deserving of your love, your hard work, your dedication. I know you guys will be the best parents. I know you're going to be the best father. And, I look forward to seeing, where you guys go in your future endeavors. And I really wish nothing but happiness and love for you guys.